This is Eric Moth, Moth.com, with a quick video for September 5th, 2019. But the date doesn't matter. Market's up for the day. But I want to show you what the emerging market is doing on the 2 hourly. A quick video here. And I'm just going to ask the question, how is it possible that if we draw a line connecting previous lows, and we see how this line gives us a short-term swing trade break and predicts lower market direction here, how if we extend the line it turns into potential resistance in the current market? How is this possible that this happens, that when we draw the backtest line it seems to coincide with where the emerging market ETF is stalling on the 2 hourly in the short term? So clearly we can see from here what this is suggesting is if the market is to go higher, it would need to clear this level, the blue line, and advance higher. Otherwise, the more we continue seeing this resistance, what this line is telling us is that the market has a memory of the blue line, and if this resistance continues, expect the market to push this for a swing trade lower. Eric Moth, Moth.com, as always, good luck, peace, and blessings. ESCS.